everyone, welcome to China Business Now, a 3-minute digest of what happened in China's business sector. Our program is presented by 21st Century Business Herald. I'm your host, Stephanie Lee. Our headlines today: China and the US agreed to maintain communication on economic ties as senior officials from the two countries held video talks on Wednesday morning, China's Commerce Ministry said. In the conversations between Chinese Vice Premier Liu He, also the chief of the Chinese side of the China-US Comprehensive Economic Dialogue, and US Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen highlighted the importance of China-US economic relations. The World Health Organization validated the Sinovac COVID-19 vaccine developed by Chinese pharmaceutical company Sinovac for emergency use on Tuesday. Earlier in May, the WHO has issued interim recommendations for the use of the inactive COVID-19 vaccine developed by China National Pharmaceutical Group. Top news in financial sector. The first pair of exchange-traded fund or ETF under a cross-listing scheme has officially gone public in Shanghai and Hong Kong on Tuesday. Investors can now directly invest in ETF via the Shanghai-Hong Kong ETF Connect. The new mechanism allows investors to invest in both locations without opening new local accounts. China will promote the standardized development of supply chain finance, effectively broaden the financing channels for micro, small, and medium-sized enterprises, and ensure more funds flow to the real economy, according to the central bank. China's property loans increased at the lowest pace over the past 8 years in April, the official at the China Banking and Insurance Regulatory Commission said Tuesday. As of the end of April, loans to the property sector expanded by 10.5% year-on-year, a growth rate at an 8-year low. China will act to address the challenges facing the country's small and medium-sized enterprises due to the recent hike in commodity prices, officials said Tuesday. Last but not least, the stock market. Chinese stocks closed lower on Wednesday, with the benchmark Shanghai Composite Index down 0.76% at 3,597 points. Shares related to electricity and coal led the gains, while those in the steel and medical equipment sectors were among the biggest losers. And that's it for China Business Now by 21st Century Business Herald. Thank you for joining us. Goodbye.